Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of editing tools, specifically Adobe After Effects. We'll be discussing some tips and tricks to make your experience with this professional editing tool easier and more enjoyable. So, let's get started. First off, let's talk about the interface. Adobe After Effects has a sleek and modern design, making it easy to navigate. The toolbar at the top of the screen provides quick access to all the essential features. The timeline is the heart of the program, where you'll spend most of your time. It's important to note that the timeline is non-linear, meaning you can move your clips around and edit them in any order you choose. Now, let's move on to the keyframes. Keyframes are the building blocks of After Effects. They're used to control the properties of your layers, such as position, rotation, and scale. To add a keyframe, simply click on the stopwatch icon next to the property you want to change. Then, adjust the property to your desired value. When it comes to animation, there are two main types: keyframe animation and expression-based animation. Keyframe animation is the most common and easiest to use. It involves adding keyframes at specific points in your timeline and then adjusting the properties of your layers between those keyframes. On the other hand, expression-based animation is a bit more advanced. It involves writing code that controls the properties of your layers. While it can be more powerful, it's also more complex and may take some time to master. Now, let's talk about the latest update to Adobe After Effects. The new version includes some exciting new features, such as the ability to create 3D text and extrude text. It also has improved performance and stability, making it even better for professional editing. In conclusion, Adobe After Effects is a powerful and versatile editing tool that can be used for a wide range of projects. With its user-friendly interface and a variety of features, it's easy to see why it's a favorite among professionals and hobbyists alike. So, if you're looking to take your editing skills to the next level, give Adobe After Effects a try. That's it for today's video, folks. I hope you found this overview of Adobe After Effects helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.